Hello, brothers. A few days ago, I shared with you the story of Sergei, a Russian mechanic, who repaired a truck. He replaced the truck's Euro 6 engine with a Euro 5 engine. And today, we've reached the finale of this truck's story. Actually, the Euro 6 engine previously primarily had a cracked cylinder head. The normal way to repair it would be to just replace the cylinder head. However, the driver thought the Euro 6 engine was less reliable than the Euro 5. So, he asked Sergei and his team for help to replace the Euro 6 engine with a Euro 5 engine. A truck chassis was parked at the rear of this truck. This Euro 5 engine was taken from that chassis. And for the Euro 5 engine, Sergei and his team also performed a major overhaul. In today's video, it's the finale of this series. They will install the Euro 5 engine in the truck. According to Sergei, the radiator of this car was also replaced. However, the process of how the entire engine was debugged after installation is not complete. Actually, Sergei did film it, but he still simplified the process. I briefly talked about Sergei a couple of days ago, in the comment section and in the fan group, about his current situation. Currently, this is what's happening with Master Xie's account. The content we see today should be the last one. He will most likely stop updating, because according to some regulations, these Russian creators will no longer have any income. Their last income settlement was at the end of August. Master Xie's content is also the last content of August. 3 weeks ago. During this time, I have also been searching for related news. I hope Master Xie can continue to update. But Master Xie's account has indeed stopped. However, Master Xie's team has another main account. That main account is still operating. Because Master Xie's account only has 30,000 followers. That account has many more. It's possible they've given up on this account. Here, they are pumping oil to see if the engine can start. The engine also started smoothly. Here, we took a look at the instrument panel. Now, as for the mileage, actually, it doesn't really matter for this engine, because we don't know how long this engine has been running, but it has been overhauled. You just need to know when this engine was installed. They are using a diagnostic tool to clear the fault codes on the computer, including setting all the parameters to Russian. Then Master Xie gave some explanations here. Actually, what he explained was very simple. It's that YouTube is not giving them revenue now. In fact, YouTube doesn't give them any revenue. It started in February 2022. At that time, it was just restricting some of the Russian creators from publishing content related to the war. There was no revenue from publishing these things. Later, it gradually expanded to all Russian creators. After the final settlement at the end of August this year, their content no longer generates revenue. Since there is no revenue, there may not be much desire to continue creating content. As for how they're going to break the deadlock, we can't figure that out. I can only say I'm still looking forward to it. Master Xie can resume updating this account in the future. I hope Master Xie can bring more truck repair content. So, don't be sad, everyone. Because I said before, this video today is not a farewell video. It's just Master Xie's personal side account. And it won't be updated anymore. Their team has another main account. That one is still going. They should have figured out a way. But in that one, there might be less repairs like Master Xie's. Because there will be a lot of other types of repair content. We can also look forward to it in the future. It's just that the frequency of seeing Master Xie will be less. It's not that we won't see him at all. So I didn't make a farewell in the opening. A sad theme song. That's all for today's content. The Euro 6 engine to Euro 5 engine series is officially concluded. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. pig head, cut into 8 pieces.